Vaginal itching is a common discomfort experienced by many women. And while it can be caused by various factors, finding relief is often a priority. Here are some expert-recommended simple remedies to help alleviate this issue effectively. 1. Maintain proper hygiene. Good hygiene practices are essential in preventing and managing vaginal itching. Here are some tips. Gentle cleansing. Use mild, unscented soaps to wash the external genital area. Avoid douching, as it can disturb the natural balance of bacteria and lead to irritation. Cotton underwear. Opt for breathable cotton underwear to allow airflow and reduce moisture. This helps in preventing infections that can cause itching. Avoid scented products. Stay away from scented hygiene products, including soaps, wipes, and menstrual products, as they can irritate the sensitive skin of the vulva. 2. Stay dry. Keeping the vaginal area dry is crucial, especially if you're prone to yeast infections. Wear loose clothing. Choose loose-fitting clothes. And avoid tight-fitting pants that can trap moisture and heat. Change out of wet clothes if you go swimming or exercise. Change out of wet clothing promptly to prevent moisture buildup. 3. Use natural remedies. Several natural remedies can soothe itching and irritation. Tea tree oil, known for its antifungal properties. Tea tree oil can be diluted with a carrier oil like coconut oil and applied to the affected area. However, it's essential to do a patch test first to avoid any allergic reactions. Aloe vera. This soothing plant can help calm irritation. Apply fresh aloe vera gel to the area for relief from itching and inflammation. Natural yogurt. Yogurt containing live cultures can help restore the natural balance of bacteria in the vagina. Consider consuming it or applying it externally with caution to alleviate symptoms. 4. Dietary adjustments. What you eat can also impact vaginal health. Probiotics. Incorporate probiotic-rich foods like yogurt, kefir, and fermented vegetables into your diet to promote a healthy balance of bacteria. Stay hydrated. Drink plenty of water to help maintain overall health and support skin hydration. 5. Over-the-counter remedies for immediate relief. Over-the-counter OTC options can be effective. Antifungal creams, if a yeast infection is suspected. Antifungal creams or suppositories can provide quick relief. These are available without a prescription. Hydrocortisone cream. A mild hydrocortisone cream can help reduce inflammation and itching. However, it should only be used sparingly and not for extended periods. 6. Consult a healthcare professional if symptoms persist despite trying these remedies. It's crucial to consult a healthcare professional. Recurring vaginal itching may indicate an underlying condition that requires medical treatment. A doctor can provide a proper diagnosis and recommend appropriate medications or therapies. Conclusion. Vaginal itching can be uncomfortable, but simple remedies can often provide relief. By maintaining proper hygiene, using natural remedies, making dietary adjustments, and considering OTC treatments, many women can manage their symptoms effectively. However, if discomfort persists, seeking medical advice is essential to ensure appropriate care. Always prioritize your health and well-being.